Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your computer to play Fortnite. You have two main options for connecting your controller: either a wired connection using a USB cable or a wireless connection via Bluetooth. For the wireless method, it's important to confirm that your computer has built-in Bluetooth functionality or a compatible adapter. Both methods are straightforward, and we will cover each one in detail to get you gaming quickly. Connecting your PS4 controller with a USB cable is incredibly simple. First, take one end of your USB cable and plug it securely into the port on the front of your PS4 controller. Next, take the other end of that same USB cable and insert it into any open USB port on your computer. Your computer should then automatically recognize the controller and install any required drivers within a few moments, making it ready for use. For a wireless connection, you will need to put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, simultaneously press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button on your controller until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, on your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and select the option to add a new device. Look for wireless controller in the list of discovered devices and click to connect it. Once your PS4 controller is successfully connected, whether by USB or Bluetooth, you are ready to launch Fortnite. The game is usually designed to automatically detect and configure your controller for gameplay, so you should be able to jump right into the action. If you wish, you can also go into Fortnite's in-game settings to customize button mappings or sensitivity to perfectly suit your personal play style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.